guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another video for you guys featuring one of our favorite vendors, Unice. So I'll be sure to link all of their information down below, including a coupon code if you are interested. But this unit actually comes from Amazon, so for those of you guys who need a style quick, especially now that graduations are going on, some places are still celebrating prom, summertime, vacation time, you name it, all that is coming up, and you might want something real quick. Definitely head over to Amazon and check this unit out. But anyways, guys, this is Unice's I believe this is their HD 5x5 Afro curly lace closure wig. So as you guys can see, those curls, the unit that I do have mine in, I believe is either a 24 or a 22 inch. I will link it down below for you guys. But look at this hair, the density is so full. I'm gonna do a wash and go on this so you guys can see how you can elongate those curls to make the hair look fuller and longer. But anyways, guys, this is what their hairline looks like. I did notice that this unit is not bleached, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is customize my unit to my liking. Of course, this is completely optional. I know some of you guys don't have time for that. If you don't know how to bleach your knots, definitely use liquid foundation. That is actually way better than bleaching your knots, but you know me, I'm used to this, so this is what I'm doing. You guys know how I make my concoction. I like to make it in like a frosting like consistency and then place it on those knots and leave it on for about 30 minutes. You definitely want to continue to check it. As you guys can see, this is how my knots ended up looking, and I like to use my purple shampoo so that I can kind of get rid of that brassiness, because you guys definitely saw all of that brassiness on my knots. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out. And then you guys know the routine. I go in with my silicone mix shampoo. I really like this on my wigs because it keeps the hair soft, but it also gets it very clean. And then my silicone mix hair treatment is the only conditioner I like to use on my units because it just really keeps those curls intact, as well as it doesn't make the hair matte or tangle. So you guys can see this is how it looks, and this is the amount of shedding that I did receive with this curly unit. But anyways, guys, as you guys can see, this is how those knots look. I personally think that it's a perfect bleach, but some of you guys might think that it's a little bit over bleached. To each his own. Again, if you don't know how to bleach, definitely use liquid foundation. But right here, I'm just going to kind of soften up that hairline by just tweezing a bit of the hair out. Again, that is completely optional. You guys don't have to do it. But now I'm going to go into my wash and go. With the wash and go, you definitely want to make sure the hair is drenched. You want it to be nice and wet. And I'm taking my Mael curling custard. I really like this because it's in the form of a gel. Because it's in a gel, that means that it's going to really clump those curls and also elongate the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a generous amount to the hair and use my Denman brush to really go in and define those curls. And once I am done, I'll be right back. Now that those curls are popping and they look extremely juicy, I'm just going to go ahead and style the hair. At this point, you can choose to do like a slight side part, or you can do a center part like I'm doing, and as well as some baby hairs, which is completely optional. I like to use baby hairs just to kind of curve around that 5x5 where it ends. It's really just going to give you some added security so that band doesn't tell on you. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up styling this wig, and I will see you in a bit. You've been seeing someone else, and I've been trying to find myself. Should have known it wouldn't last, but we built our house all out of lies. And I know you tried, I tried, it must have been a different time. You lied, I cried, eventually the tears they dried. No, they tell me I'm jaded. Okay guys, so I finally have the wig on, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and cut the lace off. Like usual, I take my eyebrow razor to remove the lace. It's really simple guys. It's like the foolproof way of removing your lace. I also like to take a little bit of my foundation powder to kind of help further blend in that HD lace into my complexion. Now it is a really good blend, however, you know, you can never be too sure. But anyways, I also like to take my LA Pro concealer and place that in the parting space just to clean it up a bit. You might see a few knots here and there, so that really helps with defining that parting space. But you guys can see the top of the wig is a bit flat because of how I styled it, so definitely take your white tooth comb and just go in and pull the hair out so that you can maintain more volume into this wig. Now the density on this unit is 180%. So the more you manipulate it, the bigger it gets, but trust me, it is a beauty, all right? And please excuse that Christmas tree behind me. I like the lights, so I didn't think that you guys would notice it, but yeah, it's giving me Christmas vibes, so ignore it. I need some decor, guys, you know, help me out. But anyways, I am going to take a little bit of my gel to lay that baby hair just so you do not see the ends of that 5x5 lace. Now, with the curling custard, it did make the hair a bit crusty and kind of heavy, so I'm taking a little bit of my curl and shine mist to soften the hair a bit, and it really helps give more movement into this wig. And this is how it looks. Now this is not how the curls look out of the pack. The wash and go with the use of a Denman brush help create these curls, all right? So if you guys get this wig, let me know how you're wearing it. Are you wearing it how it came out of the pack, or did you do a wash and go? Okay. But anyways, as you guys can see with that 5x5, you can wear it behind your ear and it's not telling on you. And here are the angles of the hair. Again, it is 180% density. I believe this is either a 22 or 24 inch. I will leave it in the description area down below. But again, guys, this is Unice Amazon. I do have a coupon code for you in case you are interested. Let me know what you think of this unit, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Always come back round.